See, I grew up on the wrong side of the tracks where I come from, is what they say, and I'll tell you what, I was damn proud to be that way, I can assure you. I grew up listening to Hank Williams Jr. and pretty much nothing else, and my daddy fixes cars, he still does to this day, and that's kind of the way I grew up. We hunt, we fish, we do the outdoor lifestyle thing, that's what we do. I got several requests in Tennessee tonight to play a tune that's going to be on my new album. You can pre-order that right now if you like. The album's called Buy Me a Boat. But there's a song on that album I'm proud of called White Trash, and I'm fixing to play it right here in Tennessee. Between the trailer and the dog and the Chevy on blocks and the hogs, out in the front yard where us kids played no grass. It was mama in her house shoes, smoking Salem lights with a tattoo. You had it all up, that's why they called us White Trash. Skin a buck, run a trout line, country folks can't survive. Now I can plow a field all day long, I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. We raise our own whiskey and our own smokes too, there ain't too many things old Vols can't do. Well, we like big old tomatoes, muscadine wine, country folks can't survive. Because you can't stop us out and you can't make us run, and we're them old boys raised on shotgun. We say grace and we say amen. If you ain't into that, Tennessee don't give a damn. Well, if they had their way, they'd have thrown us away like an empty bottle of wine. Yeah, we belong sacked up and stacked on the curb in their mind. And their daddies didn't want us hanging around their girls, and they'd whip their sons' white ass. Tennessee, with your hands up high, let me hear your rebel cry real loud one time. Did you come to get down with a white dress? Well, I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. Cell phones out, hands in the air, film this stuff. Let's make a little Tennessee history. You know, I haven't been able to celebrate my first #1 song in Tennessee yet, but we're fixing to do it right now. Well, I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. Working like a dog all day ain't working for me. Wish I had a rich uncle about to kick the bucket, and I was sitting on a pile like a Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness. It's all you, baby, but it can buy me a boat. You can buy me a truck, you can buy me a Getty 110. I stand with some silver bullets. Well, I know what they say. Looking good, Tennessee. I could sing John Bad if I had a couple $1,000,000. I keep giving that money is the root of all evil, and you can't beat a camel through the eye of the needle. So that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool. You can buy me a boat, you can buy me a truck, you can buy me a Getty 110. I stand with some silver bullets. Well, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. I'll make it so. You can buy me a boat, down on the water with a beat. I hear now I'm all alone, sitting on a hill. Well, that'll buy me a brand new riding reel, or it could buy me a boat. Sing it. Lord, it could buy me a, Lord, it could buy me a, yeah, I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Make it so, it could buy me. Wait a second, I think I heard a little bit of noise in Tennessee tonight. Now all the way around one time. Hands in the air like this one time. Tennessee, if you're with me, let me hear your Tennessee cry. Hey, yeah. Yeah, yeah. One. Now I hope you're filming this. This is historic right here. You know, this is a big moment for me right now in Tennessee. Thank you for giving me my first #1 song, people. Thank you to my friends at Country Radio too. They're here tonight, by the way. Yeah, that's right. Here we go. Ready, set a 1, and then a 2, and then a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4, and you sound really good. Say, buy me a boat. Yeah, you can buy me. Come on now, you can buy me. Oh, you sounded even better. Here we go. Now I know what they say. Well, maybe so. Everybody, buy me a boat. Yeah, you can buy me a boat. Yeah, you can Tim McGraw called Truck.